My name is Prudence. You can call me on my name Prudence. The meaning of my name is Prudence. Is wise, and I don't know the meaning. I'm going to ask my parents about my name. Here it is, my passport. Thank you. I come from Baroda. Hi, my name is Prudence, and the clip that you have just watched before shows the common errors which students normally do when they go in the exam room, right? So the following are the tips which you can follow whilst speaking. Initially, you have to start by eye contact. That means you have to be keeping your eyes straight to the examiner. And the second one would be hand gestures. That means when you're trying to explain your answers, use your hands, use your eyebrows to explain your answer or your points. We can say that. To add on, you also have to acknowledge the question. Examiner asks you a question and you are supposed to acknowledge it first before you respond. The next one, don't give one-word answers or straight to the point answers. Examiner wants to see how good you are in responding, in trying to frame a question. So do not give one-word answers. Try to use compound sentences, complex sentences to extend your answer for that part. In addition, don't go with an angry face. Always smile. Keep on smiling. Show the examiner that you are very excited for this exam. Show your happiness whilst you're doing this. And have more confidence. Confidence, confidence, confidence is the best thing that we need. With confidence, you can achieve a very good score. That's it. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Prudence Alex. You may address me by my given name as Prudence. Yes, here it is, my passport. Thank you. The meaning of my name is something or somebody who is very intelligent. I come from Baroda, which is also known as Sanskarinagar, or which is known because of its banyan trees.